Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to give you a quick update on the Coin price and the overall crypto market and tell you where I think we're headed here. So without further ado, we are at 10,000 subscribers, guys. At 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away this loaded line NFT. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, as of right now, Bitcoin is above 26,000, which is pretty nice to see. But all in all, we're just kind of bouncing up and around inside of this channel that we're in. You know, anything below 28,200 in my mind is bearish for the short to mid-term. I do think that we'll probably be headed to the $21,000 price range, depending on how long we trade between this $26,000 price range and $25,000. Let's take a closer look over on the Bitcoin chart. The channel I'm talking about is right about here between 25,300 and 26,300. The longer we trade in this channel, the more likelihood, in my opinion, will probably capitulate down, especially if volume dries up. This move we had here in the past week or so I thought was going to be playing out a little bit later on, but because of the SEC suing Coinbase and Binance, it happened a little prematurely, and that is a-okay. Things like that happen. That's what trading is. You know, you can't predict where the market's going to be headed. All you can do is base your predictions and your hypotheses based on past events and the data that you have. But guys, as of right now, I am really thinking that we'll probably be trading in this channel, especially if the volume dries up. I'm looking for a capitulation to the downside. But I am also looking for a swift recovery once we do something like that as we get closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving. And we're getting closer and closer, guys. It's about 10 months away, give or take. And honestly, as we get closer, you'll probably start to see, say we're trading down, you'll probably start to see a little bit of curvature to the upside. And then about a month or two after the Bitcoin halving, you should be prepared to see a larger move. I mean, something similar right here, this big capitulation event, I wouldn't be surprised if that was our move to 21,000 in the cycle that we're in right now, and then we have a nice V shape coming out of that into the Bitcoin halving. I wouldn't be surprised to see something like that. So don't be shocked if you see a large move to the downside. You know, it's pretty uncanny how significant the cycles are matching, the 4-year cycles, guys. You know, I've been in this market since 2015, and every cycle I would say, well, if the 4-year cycle gets broken, I don't know how much I will believe in it. But when it really comes down to it, the 4-year cycle is the best data point that we have to look at, in my opinion, when it comes to the cryptocurrency asset class as a whole. And it's pretty accurate. It is pretty accurate. And you can see, I mean, look at these moves over here. It's playing out just like that right here. Really curious to see if we get that true capitulation down, because this was right here a true Black Swan event. Seems like it was the Black Swan event to create all the other Black Swan events, you know, when we had that pandemic dump. Very, very curious how times have changed. Let's look over at Coin right now, because Coin has capitulated below 5.5 cents, and we did get that large wick down to 5 cents even. Close to 5 cents even, is about 0.0502 to be exact. But I do think that we're probably going to be coming down here and getting these candle closes until we fill this wick at about 5 cents. Usually that's how it plays out, especially if there isn't a huge invalidation. But you know, if Bitcoin goes to 30K during this week in a swift move, then I could see an invalidation out of that. But as of right now, I'm expecting this to come down to here. It looks like we'll need to be making some new lines. I'll spend some time on that for the video for tomorrow. But, you know, it is a new level. It is a new level that we're going to need to be approaching. I do think we'll probably hit that 5 cents even, unfortunately, guys. I'm not trying to be the bearer of bad news, but I'm just pointing out what I'm seeing. You need to be you can't be emotional when it comes to trading and investing. You know, if you've been dollar cost averaging inside of this channel here between 5.5 cents and 10 cents, 5 cents should not shock you. It should not shock you. But if it does shock you, then I think you should really take a step back and really think about your strategy right now, because there's more time for it to potentially go even further down. But there's also time for us to go up. But like I said, if we were to pull from the Bitcoin data, what I think my thesis is on this is that we're going to be trading sideways, capitulate down, and kind of come back up after that and move into the Bitcoin halving at about 45,000-ish, around that area, then we're getting kind of close. Maybe you shouldn't sell. Maybe you should buy more. Not financial advice, it's just everyone has their own strategy. Personally, I'm still accumulating my CRO, especially as we're below 5 cents. It's 5.5 cents, excuse me. I think it's a very, very good buying opportunity. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Thank you so much once again for 10,000 subscribers. Can't wait to make our announcement this week. We're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one of our lucky subscribers. And also, when we reach 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away that load line NFT. And if you are a YouTube member on our channel, you get an extra 10 entries each month. You are a member at winning this guy right here. So super excited about that. Can't wait to have more giveaways. Thank you so much for all the support, guys. That's all I got. See you in the next one. Bye.